Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, the FDA has cleared Starlight Therapeutics to begin its STAR-001 combination trial for recurrent glioblastoma. This synthetic lethality-based therapy pairs STAR-001 with spironolactone to address resistance in aggressive brain cancer. Built on Lantern Pharma's AI-driven radar platform, it targets a glioblastoma market estimated at $3 to $5 billion annually, with trial start planned for late 2025 or early 2026. Boehringer Ingelheim's HERNEXEOS, or zongertinib, has received accelerated FDA approval for HER2-mutant non-small cell lung cancer in previously treated patients. Phase 1b results showed a 75% response rate with durable benefit and manageable safety. It is the first targeted oral option for this mutation subtype, with continued approval dependent on confirmatory trials. The National Comprehensive Cancer Network has updated small cell lung cancer guidelines to include testing and treatment for Lambert-Eaton myasthenic syndrome. Recommendations include VGCC antibody testing and neurologist consultation. Up to 90% of SCLC-associated LEMS cases may go undiagnosed. This change could improve detection and treatment rates. The FDA has accepted Arvinas' new drug application for vepdegestrant, the first PROTAC therapy to reach this stage in breast cancer. For ESR1-mutated ER-positive, HER2-negative advanced breast cancer after endocrine therapy, it showed significant progression-free survival benefit over fulvestrant in Phase 3. The FDA decision date is June 5, 2026. Protein Cure has received FDA and Health Canada clearance for a Phase 1 trial of PQ203 in triple-negative breast cancer. This AI-designed peptide drug conjugate targets the sortilin receptor and holds FDA Fast Track status. The first trial will launch at Princess Margaret Cancer Centre in Toronto. Akeso will start a global Phase 2 trial of cadonilimab plus lenvatinib in liver cancer resistant to PD-1 or PD-L1 therapy. Cadonilimab is the first PD-1 and CTLA-4 bispecific antibody approved worldwide. The study will compare the combination with lenvatinib alone. The FDA has cleared Umbogen's triplet therapy trial for colorectal cancer, combining HDAC inhibitor ABT-301 with tislelizumab and bevacizumab. It targets pMMR or non-MSI high metastatic colorectal cancer, which makes up about 95% of cases and is resistant to immunotherapy. Market potential is estimated at $9 billion. Lantheus's new drug application has been accepted for a high-output formulation of its PSMA PET agent, boosting batch size by about 50% to improve prostate cancer imaging access. A decision is expected by March 6, 2026. In Canada, Imfinzi has been approved as the first perioperative immunotherapy for muscle-invasive bladder cancer. The Niagara trial showed a 32% lower risk of recurrence or death versus chemotherapy and surgery alone. In China, Junshi Biosciences has had a supplemental new drug application accepted for toripalimab plus disitamab vedotin in HER2-positive urothelial cancer. Phase 3 results met progression-free and overall survival endpoints over chemotherapy with a favorable safety profile. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.